Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm about to show you what I think might be one of the best trucks I've ever had. 05 750, 5.9 Cummins, 7-speed, 25,999 GVWR, under CDL, 79,000 miles. Cummins used to own this truck. It was one of their service trucks. Super nice. 8,000 pound crane, Van Air hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers, toolboxes. I just don't know what more you could want. It's got probably one of the best diesel engines ever made. No emissions, low mileage, Southern truck, no rust, one owner, under CDL. Hadn't been smoked in. Power windows. .22.5 tires, wheels and tires. Van Air Comet air compressor. If you know of a better setup, I'd like to hear it. Because in my opinion, there's not one. This stupid shift knob will be gone. We have the correct shift knob ordered for it. backup camera. See it or not. All right. If you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. That's air seat. 6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. Again, this is a really rare truck. I'm building it up a lot, but it's really worth building up. I mean, you just don't see a 5.9 Cummins with this low mileage in this nice a shape. Even if you find a truck like this, it's usually got the Cat C7 in it. So just a rare, nice truck. And it's got the big crane, hydraulic air compressor, nice bed. Just a really, really nice truck. You can tell whoever had it, they took really good care of it. I guess that's about it. If you want to ship this truck, I shipped it in. We put it on a flatbed and shipped it in. Paid about, I think, $250, $275 a mile to get it shipped in. Depending on where you're at, it's probably going to be around the same price. You might get a little cheaper, might be a little more. Depends on where you're at, or you're welcome to come here and drive it home. If you come, you got to bring cashier's check. You got to do a wire transfer, bring cash. You got to be certified funds. You can't bring a check on your name or your business name. It's got to be certified funds. And you got to come Monday through Friday. Monday through Thursday, 7 to 4. Friday, 7 to 3:30. That's our business hours. We're not open on the weekends. All right, again, 05 750 7-speed 5.9 Cummins, 8,000 pound crane, hydraulic outriggers, van air, hydraulic air compressor, federal bed and crane, toolboxes, like new tires all the way around, Goodyear tires, 25,999 GVWR, so it's under CDL. Just a really nice truck. Thanks for watching.